everyone and welcome to this weekly technical analysis video here at xm.com. We're going to look at the major events of the week, and starting from the US on Wednesday and Friday, the ISM PMIs are likely to get a lot of attention. The manufacturing PMI is expected to have risen from 47.4 to 47.9, while the non-manufacturing PMI is expected to have fallen from 55.2 to 54.2. Also on Monday, incoming Bank of Japan Governor Ueda said he has ideas on how to leave its huge stimulus, but a tighter policy will only occur when trend inflation rises sufficiently. So looking at dollar-yen now, the price is approaching the 200-day SMA around 137.22 ahead of the 138.15 line. If the price surpasses these resistance levels here, it may switch the outlook to bullish, meeting the next levels of 142.25 and 147.20. On the other hand, now if the price falls below the 134.75, it may meet the 20-day SMA near 132.95 and the 50-day SMA around 131.70. The RSI indicator down here is approaching the 70 level, while the MACD is strengthening its positive momentum above its trigger and zero lines. So moving forward, the Eurozone preliminary of February CPI statistics will be in the spotlight, as most ECB policymakers believe more 50 basis point rate hikes are needed to manage inflation. Thursday's report is projected to show a little slowing to 6.9% year-on-year from 7.1% in February, and also on Thursday includes the latest ECB meeting minutes. So looking at euro and dollar, we can see that the price rebounded off this 7-week low of 1.0530 and is moving towards the 23.6% Fibonacci at 1.0680. Also, the 20 and 50-day SMAs posted a bearish crossover, confirming this downside movement in the short term around 1.0723. And if the price surpasses this bearish crossover here, it may challenge the next psychological mark of 1.08. Even higher the price, it may meet the 1.1030 peak, and any moves above this line here, it may confirm more bullish actions. On the other hand, and drop beneath the 7-week low and the 1.0480 support, it may meet the 38.2% FIBO of 1.0460 before challenging the 200-day SMA near 1.0328. More drops beneath this line here, it may switch the medium-term outlook to negative as well. Then the MACD oscillator is moving beneath its trigger line in the negative region, but the RSI is moving higher in the negative territory. Also, looking at Aussie dollar, Australia's GDP for the fourth quarter and the monthly CPI figure are scheduled to release on Wednesday. For the fourth quarter of the previous year, the GDP number is predicted to climb to 0.7% quarter to quarter and 6.2% from 5.9% on a yearly basis. So the price is holding beneath the 200-day SMA and is approaching the 0.6619 barrier ahead of the next support levels of 0.6580 and 0.6630. However, the price climb above the 200-day SMA, it may meet this resistance of 0.6857 and the bearish crossover within the 20 and 50-day SMAs around 0.6895. And any moves above these lines here, it may challenge the 0.7030 and the peak of the 8-month high of 0.7160. If the price remains within this region here, we may see a neutral range. However, if there is a climb above this 8-month high, the price it may change to bullish again. The MACD oscillator is holding beneath its trigger and zero lines, while the RSI is also moving towards the oversold territory. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.